Hey guys, welcome back to the 2018 World of Concrete. We're back in the Metabo booth for one more awesome toy. Walk past this guy. This guy looks like a beast. What is it?
It is a beast. It is our new Renovation grinder based on new and upgraded motor, made in Germany, of course. That compact motor pulls 15 amps. It is incredibly powerful. It is 1900 watt of pure joy. I love that. I love that tool. I cannot.
Well, I'm noticing too, like even the shroud on this thing looks like it's solid steel. That thing is huge.
That shroud, it is the only like that on the market. It is pure aluminum. We do our own die casting. It is as heavy duty as it gets. We have optimized the airflow. The airflow goes between the flange and the shroud. It creates a vortex around the spindle that keeps the spindle clean and cool. So you enhance the life of the tool significantly and you improve your dust extraction at the same time.
Awesome. Now I see you have a couple different discs here.
Yeah, so we have here the PCD wheel. That PCD wheel is fantastic to remove any coating that is resin-based.
Like
so
this stuff here.
Tire glue, epoxy, resin, you will get that. These little diamond tooth will actually shave off the resin and just clean it up very efficiently for you. Now we also have diamond cups that you can use for grind concrete. They're extremely aggressive. We have different kinds. If you have green concrete or a very old cured concrete, we have all the kinds that you need. You can all mount them on this 5-inch grinder that connects to our vacuum to be a Table 1 compliant integrated system.
Awesome. Thanks again. Appreciate it, man. Guys, we still have a couple more things to look at here at Metabo, so don't go anywhere.